Hi, good morning everyone, and I am here. Hello. Magsasort out lang po ako ng aking gamit na dadalhin ko sa aming trip. Ito po yung itsura ko ngayon sa floor. Kasi magsasort out ako ng gamit ko. And I'm going to see which one should I unpack. Kasi parang sobrang dami ng nangyayari dito. I'm just gonna pack what I need, and I'm going to pack what is still missing, like yung mga essentials, yung mga hygiene ko. So, let's see. May polo. Two. Just two. And lipstick. Ito yung lalagay ko sa bag ko. Right, you can still put this on. Okay. Never guess. Of course. Eyeliner. Of course, this one. Which one? I think it's never this one. But this one. And this one. And this one. Of course. Then green. This one also. Color corrector. This one. And of course, my also lashes. This one here. So, like this one. Labas diba? Lagi ko siya ayos ang pagkakalim. So, ito ang kapang gamit. And like this one. Kilay. This one. Very important. Sana talaga. Ganito yung pagkakapa ko. Huwag nyo naman ako i-judge. Vitamins. Ito yung maliit. If more than 3 days lang. Tapos ito yung pag pumupunta ako ng Pinas. Mura siya kuhan ganyan sa damang. Hindi ako muna ng kasol kasi and of course, ang ating pangmalakasang sabon. Guys, I think you should. Kasi manatulog lang din mo sa ano. Kasama ko dati. Ang galing mo. She tried so she told me like, oh, ano, nakakapagod. Kasi, may sagot ako na, nasisyon kami, tapos dala ko lahat ng ito. Wow! Siguro ito, no? The oil. And conditioner. So, ito lang dadalhin ko. Imagine, huwag mo nang dalhin lahat ng essentials mo, guys. Ito yung bag. And, this is for sore throat. And this is for allergies. And also, the most important thing, yung drama para hindi ako yung mahilo. I'll just bring Saridon just in case. And we're all set. I think that's gonna be all. Ito din yung bag ko sa school. Gusto ko kasi siya kasi napapasok niya. I mean, pwede mong ipasok dito lahat. Yeah. Ating sunglasses. And make sure this is full. So this is not bad. I really like this because it has already the cord, so you don't need to like bring cord with you, and you can just suck it everywhere, you know, like nakalimutan yung toothpaste. Tapos ito pa yung dadalhin ko kasi ako nang bumili sunscreen. That's it. I'm just gonna open it here in case may nakalimutan pa ako. This here. I think that's it. See you next time. Bye.